So do you want to get a custom YouTube web address? It's the URL that currently on my channel, for instance, says youtube.com/channel, for instance, UCW5IDZBFBLYLHDGYCVGAJA. But I want that to say something that people can remember. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that once you reach 100 subscribers. I'm Brighton, and I work with coaches, therapists, consultants to help them use YouTube to succeed in their business. If that's you, be sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get future videos. So a couple months ago, I started a new channel on YouTube because I've moved part-time to Mexico, loving it down here, and I decided to document my journey to help other people move to Mexico before they retire. So I started this channel, and I recently reached my 100th subscriber, and that is the point at which YouTube allows you to claim a custom URL. So the first thing I needed to do was make sure that the name of the channel was the name that I wanted to stick with, because you can only change your custom URL a couple of times, I think, and you can only change your channel name a couple of times. So be sure it's something you can live with. If it's your business name, then you're probably pretty set that you're not going to change that. But if it's something that's more of just a brand or an idea, you might want to make sure that it's set. And I had originally named this channel No Bad Days Living in Mexico. And I had done that because I'd seen No Bad Days around here in Baja California. But it turns out that that is something that is trademarked by someone in Cabo San Lucas. And so I wanted to get rid of that just in case in the future I want to be selling t-shirts or something. I want to make sure that that is all free and clear. So that's something you actually do in Google, not YouTube. Just really quickly, you need to go to your brand accounts here and edit your account information. There'll be a link down below to get to this page, and that will allow you to change your channel name, and that'll show up once you change it here in Google. It shows up in YouTube. But let's go over to creating that custom URL. And the reason I changed the name of the channel is because the custom URL has to start with the channel name. So let me show you, you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So I'm logged in and on my home page. So there are a couple other requirements. The first, you need to have a banner image across your page. You need to have a picture for your profile image, and your account needs to be at least 30 days old. So if you've grown to more than 100 subscribers in 30 days, I'd love to hear from you as to how you're doing that. But most people have probably hit those requirements if they've managed to make it to 100 subscribers. So from here, you can click on Customize Channel. You can also get to this through YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side, there's a Customize there. And then head over to Basic Info. And you can scroll down here and you'll see Channel URL. And if you're eligible, it will say set a custom URL for your channel. Now, I noticed that it took 1 or 2 days after I hit my 100th subscriber for this to light up. So it's not an immediate thing. So you have two options. One is to just use your channel name, or one is to use your channel name plus some additional stuff. So if you are using a channel name that maybe is very common, like GTA or something like that, you're going to need to add something to it because someone probably already has claimed that channel name, and two people can't claim the same URL, even though they could have, I guess, the same channel name. So we're going to stick with Almost Retired in Mexico, and then I can head up here and just click Publish. And it's going to ask me to confirm because it can't be changed. Although I have in one point in the past, I have managed to change one of these URLs. So it's possible, it just might be difficult. So ready to be set. And it is youtube.com/C/almost retired in Mexico. I believe that YouTube has made it so that you don't need the C. In the past you did. I believe that that is, that requirement is gone. We'll try it in a second. Okay, so now that that's published, let's check out. We'll go over to View Channel. It's still showing that really long URL here, but I'm going to go in here and just give it a try. And it is not case sensitive. Boom, it worked. Look at that. So you can go check out my new channel at youtube.com/almost retired in Mexico. It's also up here, or you can click down here. This is a video that YouTube thinks that you really want to watch. I'll see you in the next video.